Hi, this is the Daddy Cycle and I welcome you to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you a Filipino brand mountain bike from Sandugo. This product is a proud Filipino brand that has already a well reputation among bikers. Well, in fact, I appreciated the looks of it, the frame geometry, the matte painting are very nice, and its well planned design. The model of this Sandugo mountain bike is Brusko Kalasag. The Kalasag means it's a large rectangular meat motif shield used by pre-colonial Filipino warriors. The shield is made of hardwood and is decorated with intricate carvings. So the meaning of it also goes with the bike too. It's tough and durable. So let's start. With the features of this bike, take your trail game to the next level with Brusko Kalasag 2021, the 29er mountain bike. The aluminum frame hardtail let you push the pace for fast-rolling 29-inch tires and provide an excellent stopping power when swooping descent with hydraulic brakes. So what else do you ask for? Let's patronize the Sandugo Brusko Kalasag mountain bike, a Filipino brand mountain bike. I really appreciated your time spent by watching my YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions or comments so that I may improve my channel or topic that you want me to feature on my next video, please share it now and watch the videos on my end screen. Who knows, it will provide you some ideas that might be helpful for you. Once again, I would like to thank you very much for joining me and have a nice day.